Welcome back everyone. Today I brought four models for free. DeepSeek version 4 Flash, DeepSeek version 4 Flash Vision Experiment, High 3 and MiMo version 2.5. And even without this you can get 100 credit in rewards. Okay, these are limited for limited time, so you can get 100 credits and these four models for free. To access them through an API key or use them inside this website. You can use them later in your agent like open code, cloud code, Klein, or Kido code. Which one you would like to use, so you can access the API key and use these four models for free and 100 credit in your account for the first time, and this is for limited time. So let's get started. Okay, to access this, so first of all, open Chrome browser and search for B.AI. So after opening this, you will see limited top up to get extra credits up to 100 in rewards. And let's log in and see those free four models. Let's press this try B.AI, B.AI. As you can see, welcome to B.AI. How can I help you? So here you can wipe code and use those models. And at the top, you can select the model. As you can see, DeepSeek version 4 Flash 00. It means it is free. And Queen 3.8, just come here to the second. High 3 is 00. It means this is also free. Let's find other two. Let's move to the models and we will see them all inside the model. Let me show you. So come here to the API, and after coming to the API, you will see all models here. As you can see, these four models: DeepSeek version 4 Flash, limited time free; version 4 Flash Vision, limited time free; High 3, limited time free; and MiMo version 2.5, limited time free. Now let's first of all create our API key, then we will use that API key inside our agent. So let's press this create API key. And here we will assign name, free models. That's it. Let's press confirm. So let's copy the API key. Later we cannot copy this. Simply copy this and store it somewhere. Close this. I will store my API key somewhere. So after storing the API key, now you can use it. Let's come here to the Python script, and this is the base URL, http api.b.ai until version 1. This is our base URL to use, and we can use the name of model like this. And simply let's move back, and first of all, to use it inside our agent, so I prefer to use it inside Kilo code. You can use it inside open code or client, but I will open VS Code editor. So this is VS Code editor. I will close these files and come here to the Kilo code. So I will just find press on Kilo code to open the Kilo code extension, because I have already installed Kilo code. So this is our Kilo code. Now let's move to the setting of Kilo code. After moving to the setting, inside setting we will move to the providers. And after moving to the providers, here we have the list of popular providers. But our provider B.AI is not listed, so we will move to this custom provider. Let's press this connect button. After pressing that, as you can see here, first of all, we need provider ID. So we will write here B.AI. And for the display name, whatever name you would like to display, like B.AI provider. And after that, the provider API. So select here OpenAI compatible. That's it. And for the base URL, let's copy base URL. So as I showed you in the script, so this is our base URL. Copy it until version 1 and paste it inside base URL. Now come here to the API key. So for the API key, I have already copied so I will paste that here. So I have pasted my API key. After that, come here to the models. So you can manually enter the model ID and display name. But let's come here. Kilo code will fetch all the models listed inside B.AI website provider. Come here, we have all these models like Cloud Fable 5, Cloud Eco 4.5, all models are listed. But we need those free models. So to find those free models, simply I will deselect all these. After that, search for them one by one, like DeepSeek As you can see, DeepSeek version 4 Flash and DeepSeek version 4 Flash Vision Experiment, this one. And also High 3, this one. And the fourth one was MiMo version 4, MiMo version 2.5, this one. Now press this add model, so it will add all these models. As you can see, these all models has been added. You can select, check mark the image and reasoning also. And come here to the submit and press submit. Now it will create connection with our provider, B.AI. So B.AI provider connected. That's it. Now let's close this setting and come here to the chat area. In chat area, now we can select our model. So to select our model, as you can see here, we have the model section. So press this and we will find our free model. As you can see, B.AI provider, find this B.AI provider. Don't go through these other provider. Okay. Just close all these providers like R2 model and Kilo Gateway. So we come directly to the B.AI provider and we have these four models. Let's select first of all DeepSeek version 4 Flash. So here we can select the effort like medium, and here we can select code, ask, debug, and plan. These modes we have. So let's select the ask mode and we will ask from this hi, press enter. Now let's check the configuration. Is it successful or not? As you can see, it is answering directly to our query. Hello, I am ready to help you. I can help you like these are the directory, everything. So this was the response. Let's check second model, which is like MiMo version 2.5. So I have asked it from it, what is B.AI? So this was MiMo version 2.5 model. So as you can see, this is the response based on my research, like domain, website, B.AI as a domain model, and everything about B.AI. So you can select other models also, like High 3, DeepSeek, version 4 Flash Vision Experiment, everyone's, and you will get the query and response from these models. So these four models are free and also 100 credit in your account to use for premium AI models. So it was all about the 2D topic that I have showed you, the free AI models. So don't forget to like the video and also leave a comment, because it will help me to make more videos like this for free AI models and bring you every day in front of you to find free ways to get started. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one.